Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Toyota Yaris key fob. First, gather all existing key fobs for your vehicle. Make sure your car's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions. You'll also need to locate your vehicle's diagnostic port, usually found under the dashboard. Having everything ready ensures a smooth programming process for your new fob. To enter programming mode, start by inserting and removing the key from the ignition 5 times within 10 seconds. Next, close and open the driver's door 6 times. Finally, insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. The car's door locks should cycle, indicating it's ready for programming. This sequence prepares your vehicle. Once in programming mode, press any button on the new key fob for about 1 second. The car's door locks should cycle again, confirming successful programming. If you have additional key fobs, repeat this step for each one immediately. This ensures all your fobs are recognized by the vehicle's system. It's a quick and easy process. To exit programming mode, simply remove the key from the ignition. The door locks should cycle one final time. Now, it's crucial to test all your programmed key fobs, including any existing ones. Make sure all functions like locking, unlocking, and the panic button work correctly. This confirms everything is set up properly and ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.